I can use the midpoint formula to divide the line segment into fourths by first taking the two endpoints and putting them into this formula right here. And by doing this, you would add a -4 plus 8, then divide that by 2, -6 plus 6, divide that by 2, 4 divided by 2, 0 divided by 2, and your answer becomes 2, 0 as your midpoint. To find the first fourth, you would take your first endpoint, which is -4, -6, and then you would take the midpoint, which we just found, which is 2, 0, put it into the same formula, add -4 to 2, add -6 to 0, then you would divide those two by 2, and your answer would be -1, -3, and that is your first fourth. Then, to find your second fourth, you would take the second endpoint, which is 8, 6, the same midpoint, 2, 0, and put in the same formula. Add 8 plus 2, add 6 plus 0, you get 10 and 6, divide both of those by 2, and you get 5, 3 as your second fourth. And this is what it would look like all in a straight line in the Desmos graph. So my top endpoint is 8.6, my first fourth is 5, 3, the midpoint 2, 0, second fourth -1, -3, and bottom endpoint -4, -6.